Today I'm standing in a kitchen that was completely stripped down and remodeled. The three main elements in this kitchen project was that there was a non-load bearing wall that was removed, the entire layout of the kitchen was completely redesigned, and there was a huge island here that was added in the kitchen as well. So this is where the non-load bearing wall was at the beginning with the original kitchen. It really came out here and it closed off this dining area right here from the actual kitchen area in the back. So the idea from the homeowner's perspective was to create a much more open concept, bring down that wall and be able to join the dining area with the kitchen area. The original patio doors are just regular size. Now we have the tri-panel oversized patio door, which really lets in a lot of light from the outside, and it also allows the homeowners to appreciate their backyard a lot more. White lacquered cabinetry was chosen for this kitchen. It really helps to keep things clear and maintain the clarity of the room. The island that I'm standing in front of was actually a suggestion from the designer. The homeowners didn't feel that they actually could have an island. They thought that their kitchen might have been too small for that. And not only did they get their island, but they got a really nice big island at that. And there's also some seating area here in the back that would serve for a good lunching area for the family. Quartz was chosen for the countertops. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's also an investment. It's scratch and shock resistant, and it's very elegant. If you're putting in an island, it's a good idea to add an electrical outlet. In this particular case, the homeowners decided to add a USB port for their electronic devices. This particular island has hidden drawers within the first drawer that you open. The homeowners chose a stainless steel rectangular built-in sink. They also went with a Blanco brand faucet. This actual product won a design award. The homeowners also decided to go with a water filtration and cooling system. Now what's interesting about this particular system is that all of the machinery and equipment is actually installed downstairs in the basement and not inside the actual cabinets. So obviously the advantage there is that it's not taking up any room inside the cabinets. Here behind me, we have an actual pop-up cabinet door that hides the microwave. The hardware is made by Bloom, and it's a nice feature because it just keeps everything nice and uniform. Now, another really cool feature that I like is the spice drawer. Instead of having an actual spice rack, there's a built-in drawer to house all of the spices right next to the oven here behind me. The hardwood floors from the dining room were extended right into the kitchen. And also there was a stainless steel kick plate that was installed underneath all of the cabinetry, so it really helps to bring out a modern look and distinctive feel. There were automated drapes that were installed on the patio doors. They can be programmed as well, so you can program them to go up at sunrise and to go back down again at sunset. The homeowners decided to install some architectural lighting in the ceiling of their kitchen. Once the ceiling is open for renovations, that's pretty much the moment that you should be including architectural lighting in your layout. There are also speakers that are installed in the ceiling as well. Now the speakers are not only found in the kitchen, they're found throughout the different rooms of the home. So you can use your smartphone to control the different music in the different rooms. So as you can see, this is a very complex project that goes way beyond just your basic DIY type of thing. In this particular case, the contractor that was referred by Reno-Assistance was 360-degree verified and had all the skills required to make sure that he delivered a top quality product. And as a result, the project ran very smoothly and the homeowners were very happy with their kitchen.